Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Chipotle ranch dressing step by step. Start by gathering 1 cup mayonnaise, 1/2 cup sour cream, 1/2 cup buttermilk, 2 chipotle peppers in adobo, 1 tablespoon adobo sauce, 1 tsp garlic powder, 1 tsp onion powder, 1 tsp dried dill, and salt to taste. Keep everything measured nearby and ready to blend so the process stays smooth and relaxed. Whisk the base gently and then add your blended chipotle paste slowly so you can control heat and color. Start with a few pulses and taste as you go, adding more if you want more kick. If sauce is too thick, thin with 1 to 2 tablespoons extra buttermilk until you reach desired pourability. Chill in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes to let flavors meld before serving. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading recipes anywhere, whether you're on the couch or checking notes at the counter, and it makes waiting for your dressing to chill more enjoyable. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Always taste and adjust after chilling since flavors settle and mellow. If it's too spicy, add more sour cream or mayonnaise. If too mild, blend in another chipotle or a pinch of cayenne. Brighten with 1 to 2 tsp lemon juice or 1 tablespoon fresh herbs like chives or parsley. Store in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 7 days and give it a quick whisk before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.